Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to extract particular cell in a cell, particular text with the numbers. Say I have a data here which has company code, cost center, and the description. So same below I have a company code, description, cost center. It is not in a order. If it is in order, we can use the text column by delimits or fixed width. We'll extract it. Since the alignment is different here. See, first you can see company code, then you can see the cost center, then the description. Whereas the next cell is company code first, then description, then the cost center. For that, we'll be using two functions, mid and the search function. Okay, we're using this function. We'll try to get the cost centers here. Let's try. First, you can put mid. So mid, it's ASCII text. So we know the text is here. Selecting the text. Next is start number. To know the from where it needs to take that cost center, we'll use a search function. So start we don't know, right? Here it is here after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After seventh cell, the text we have the cost centers, but here it's different. To do that we can use a search function. Use search, open bracket. It's asking for a find a text. What text you are trying to find is cost center. So just put cost center double quote, because it's a text we need to add double quotes initially and the end with the double quote. So you can see here it is we are here. We asking within the which text. So comma. So within the text is nothing but this text. We are trying to find the cost center. Okay. Then you can close the bracket. It's asking for start number. Start number, what you can do, start with a plus and add the number, start number, from where we need to take the cost center. So if you can see the cost center, can calculate the how many characters in this cost center. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a space. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 characters. After that, we need to get the cost center. So you can see this, and there is a space. So what you can do, you can add 11 instead of 11. I'll add 12 because there is a space here. So I need to skip that also. Space. So how many characters is your cost center? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. You can add 6 here. Close the bracket. Hit enter. Now you can see you're getting your cost center. So even if you want to add, I want to add the cost centers prior to this text, you can go here, just add cost center space or hyphen, something you want to give, and complete with the and. So we're concatenating it here. Now you can see easily picking it. I don't want to add this, then you can use this function, get the information. So even it is in different cells, in different characters, you can pull the cost centers. I hope this function was helpful. Do let me know if you need any other function to be taken the further videos. Please let me know. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.